Electrostatics is the study of electric charge at rest. There are two types of electric charge: the positive charge from the proton and the negative charge from the electron. A positive and negative charge will attract. A negative and negative charge will repel. A positive and positive charge will also repel. The general rule you must know: unlike charges attract, like charges repel. If we look at object A, there is 3 positive charges, that is +3. There is 3 negative charges, that is -3. The positive and negative charges will attract since they are unlike charges. Therefore, the net charge is 0. We refer to this object as neutral since the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Object B, there is 4 positive charges +4. There is 3 negative charges -3. The 3 negative charges will be attracted to the 3 positive charges, leaving 1 positive charge. Therefore, the net charge of this object is +1. We refer to this object as being positively charged because it is electron deficient. That indicates it has less electrons compared to protons. Object C, there is 3 positive charges, that is +3. There is 5 negative charges, that is -5. The 3 negative charges will be attracted to the 3 positive charges, leaving 2 negative charges. Therefore, the net charge of this object is -2. We refer to this object as being negatively charged because it has excess electrons. That indicates it has more electrons than protons. Remember, positively charged objects are electron deficient. Negatively charged objects have excess electrons. Here is a list of materials to help us identify it as being positively or negatively charged. If you look at the red arrow going down from perspex to PVC, positivity decreases. That indicates perspex is the most positive and PVC is the least positive. We can also describe PVC as being negative compared to perspex, since PVC has a lower positivity than perspex. You can also view it in terms of negativity. As you move up the list, the negativity decreases, which is the opposite of the red arrow. For now, we will just use the red arrow. Remember, materials found at the top of the list will be positively charged and materials found at the bottom will be negatively charged. Let's look at an example. A PVC rod is rubbed with paper. Determine the charge on these materials after contact. We need the list of materials to help us determine the charge on the objects. Paper is found above PVC on the list, and the trend is, as you move down the list, the positivity decreases, thus making paper positively charged because it is found above PVC and therefore PVC is negatively charged. Remember, positively charged objects are electron deficient. Negatively charged objects have excess electrons. Since PVC is negatively charged, it will have excess electrons. That means it has more electrons compared to protons. Paper is positively charged. It will be electron deficient. That means it has more protons compared to electrons. Since PVC has excess electrons and paper is electron deficient, electrons are transferred from PVC to paper. This process is called triboelectric charging, a type of contact electrification in which certain materials become electrically charged after they come into contact with different materials and are then separated, such as through rubbing.